Guys, now let's continue and finalize everything from the mobile side up to the largest resolution. So let's start with the controls right here. So as you can see now, it's fixed compared to the last part, what we left right here. So to do that, in order to fix it, I just figure out that make sure that it has a 6 pixel negative margin left. And then for the border, we're going to apply a 1 pixel solid, that light gray color, and set the border radius to 0. And for the first child and last child of this list item, we need to add a border radius on top and bottom for the first child, which is the left, and top right and bottom right for the last child. So to generate this, just simply go to borderradius.com and fill in this number right here and copy and paste it to our CSS file. And then what I did is, on the active state, I position it relative and I push it, the Z index, to 10. Without this Z index right here, it will remain to what we have on the previous part. Let me something like this. The border blue right is missing. So push out the Z index to 10 and position it to relative to fix it. The same on the previous and next on the testimonial part. So right here on left, the same border radius as well as to right. And as you can see, this is 81 pixel right here. So change it to 80 pixel to push this previous to the right 1 pixel. And then when we resize the browser to this one, make sure that on this part right here, which is the control left, reduce this by 1 to fix that. As you can see, it is fixed now. So let's go back right here, and the same thing for the hover and focus, the Z index, pump it to 10. So I will zoom out right here to show you. And this right here, as you can see, there is a border. So what I did is, on the services section, as you know, we added a padding 60 pixel on top and top and bottom. So I zero it out. I take note that this is on the larger desktop, 1200 pixel. And then, as you know, that services columns is wrapped or divide with a class of colMD4. So I added a padding top and bottom 60 pixel. And for the services development, which is this right here on the center, I added a border right and border left 1 pixel, and the color is equal to what we have right here, which is E3 E3. So that's it for the services part. And as you can see right here, we need to increase the padding on left and right. So to do that, so on this resolution right here, this should increase the padding on left and right. So that will be on the 768. So let's add that. So that will be carousel indicators. And pump up the carousel indicators LI, and pump up the padding to 11 pixel, 20 pixel. Let's see if that's it. That is the right class. Carousel. So creative process. So carousel indicators LI. Let's check it. Carousel creative process, carousel indicators LI. So it's correct. So I thought this will be the part that will change, but it's here. So make that changes, and now it's equally the same on what we have here. It has a 20 pixel padding left and right. When I zoom out, everything is perfect. So trust me that if I'm going to change my display just on the best quality for this computer, everything right here is fixed, not the same as like this one right here. So bear with me, and everything is correct. And I think you get the idea of how to deal with the responsive part by first is you're going to take care on the mobile side, make sure that your CSS styling is smart, so that on this part right here and up to the largest part, you don't need to restyle everything. Just a few tweaks and everything will look good.